Hello everyone, welcome back with SAM2 2025. Today, we're diving into one of the most useful interactive tools in ComfyUI, the Points Editor by KJNodes. If you've ever struggled with messy auto-generated masks, this is your solution. We'll be using it alongside the Segment Anything model, SAM2, to create pixel-perfect selections just by clicking. The Points Editor is an interactive bridge. Instead of letting the AI guess what you want, you manually point and click to tell the model exactly what to include or exclude. Points Editor generates coordinate data X and Y points that SAM2 uses to understand boundaries. This is perfect for isolating specific objects in a busy photo, like changing the color of a shirt while keeping the jacket untouched, or removing a specific person from a crowd. First, let's look at the controls. First, you need to click New Canvas first, or else it will generate error. Then run it so your image show in Points Editor. Once you have your image loaded into the Points Editor, to include, use Shift plus left click to add green positive points. This tells the AI that you want this area. To exclude, use Shift plus right click to add red negative points. This tells the AI to ignore this part. If you mess up, you could always click New Canvas to start all over again. Just picking points isn't enough though. We need an engine to turn those dots into a mask. Now, let's build the logic. Start with the download SAM2 model node to get the brain of the operation. Add the SAM2 segmentation node. Connect your original image, the SAM2 model, and most importantly, the positive and negative coordinates coming directly from your Points Editor. Now we could add preview mask to see what the mask is. AI masks can sometimes have jagged edges. To fix this, add a grow mask node and set it between 5 to 10 pixels to ensure you cover the edges of your object. Use a feather mask or a tapered corner approach to soften those sharp transitions. Use the Draw Mask on Image node for your preview. It overlays the mask on your original photo so you can see exactly how accurate your selection is in real time. Here is a professional tip for ComfyUI beginners. Use the Fast Group Muter. Since SAM2 can be heavy on your GPU, you don't want it running every time you click a new point. Put your SAM2 nodes in a group and mute them while you're clicking. Once you're happy with your points, unmute the group to generate the final mask. It saves time and prevents crashes. And there you have it. You now have total control over your masks in ComfyUI. I've uploaded this exact workflow to civitai.com. You can find the link in the description below to download it and follow along. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more ComfyUI tips. If you have any questions about the setup, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Have a nice day and please subscribe.